known for its ecosystem and biodiversity, and hence the wetland ecosystem needs to be maintained. The people of Chimbel and especially the ST community needs to be informed of the steps taken to protect and preserve the ecosystem and whether the development curtails road widening and demolishing of houses. The steps the government has taken to bring clarity and to preserve the ecosystem in this regard. Speaker sir, झाला किती आमच्या
पहिले आन्सर
वाचता माहिती Speaker sir, at the outset it is clarified that the proposed project site is located outside the notified wetland conservation zone and no development activity is proposed or being undertaken within the protected wetland area. In this regard, the Wetland Conservation Authority has written a written communication confirming that the project site falls beyond the notified conservation boundary. The government remains fully committed to the protection and preservation of wetland ecosystems, and all applicable statutory and environmental safeguards are being strictly adhered to. With regards to concerns pertaining to road widening and demolition of houses, it is clarified that the project is situated along an existing 4-lane national highway and there is no proposal for road widening in connection with the said development. Accordingly, there is no question of demolition of any residential structures on this account. Speaker sir, the government is also cognizant of the concerns expressed by local residents, including members of the scheduled tribe community. It is envisaged that the proposed project will generate employment opportunities for the local population, both through direct employment at the project site and through indirect and ancillary activities such as transport, logistics, maintenance and other support services. Further, it is informed that the water requirements of the proposed project shall be met through the water supply department and no extraction of water from the lake or any surrounding water bodies is proposed. Having due regards to the extant rules, regulations and statutory provisions in force governing the development of any project, the Department of Tourism has obtained all requisite permissions and approvals for the proposed project. These include, inter alia, written confirmation from the Wetland Conservation Authority, consent to establish from the Goa State Pollution Control Board, and all other mandatory statutory clearances as prescribed under applicable laws and regulations.
Yeah. Speaker sir, आमच्या गावान चिंबला मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग मिसलीड केल्ल्या लोकांक की थिंगासर 15 मीटर रस्ते येवपाच्या आनी सगळ्या लोकांचे धंदे तेंचे गाडे तेंचे रोडाक सावन घरां आहा इतली मोड उडयतले म्हणून ते मिनिस्टरान क्लियर केला ते एक बरें जालें. तशेंच एक 3 वर्सां जालीं हांव तिका ग्रावंडाक लागून फाटीक लागलेलो आहा. ते म्हाका मिनिस्टरान सांगचें ते ग्रावंडाचे कितें जालां पळय ते कित्याक ऑलरेडी टेंडर जावपाचो म्हणून आतां आयकलां कित्याक ऑलमोस्ट 3 वर्सां जालीं. तशेंच तोयक जे तोय जी आहा थिंगासर कितेंच जावंक ना आदल्या भाशेन एक रस्तो येयलोलो वा तसलें कितेंच जावंक ना थिंगासर ती तोय कशेय भाशेन प्रोटेक्ट जावंक जाय आनी हे तोयक लागून मागीर आमी कितें करूंक शकता कित्याक थिंगासर गेले पाट एक रस्तो येयलोलो आनी तसली एक्टिविटी थिंगा तोयक तेको लागीं आमकां कितेंच नाका. थँक्यू.